Enjoy the video. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll show you what we have on our wall that's close to the ceiling and close to that alarm. This one you see on the wall is the carbon monoxide alarm. And this alarm detects even carbon dioxide or even gas in the air. It might detect screaming, or the worst of all, poison is what I think it detects. Anyways, that's what this alarm detects. Oh yep, we just saw the red light. So that tells us it's working properly. But if it blinks the green light, then that means it's not working properly. So if it blinks the green light 4 or 5 times, then it's truly game over for us. Why? It's because we need to get our stuff and leave immediately before it's too late. If we take too long, it will make us look sleepy and die. And I never want that to happen. But for today, we are 100% safe. Hopefully it's not 0%. But yeah, we are 100% safe. Just like this alarm, of course. Well, yeah. Anyways, we first had this detector last month. But of course, a guy came in our house. He installed that detector. He didn't explain what this detector does. He installed it and just left the house. So, looks like we just need to figure it out by ourselves. And I just saw this alarm blink red. But again, it tells us it's working properly. But if you guys want to know more about detectors, let me know in the comments. And I'll try my best to get a better definition or something like that. But yeah, this is what this detector does, so we need to be extremely careful with this. Even though it's just as loud as this alarm over there, or even that alarm in the hallway. Yeah, so this is what this detector does. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. And trust me, the next video will be the first time me recording myself playing Roblox on the VR headset, or even the Oculus Quest 3. Until next time, take care.
It's caught in the crossfire.